In the realm of astronomical possibilities, the notion of a black hole hurtling toward Earth may sound like a plot from a sci-fi doomsday movie, but before succumbing to panic, let's explore the factors influencing our survival odds. 1. Size and speed. The clock is ticking. The magnitude and velocity of the approaching black hole are critical variables. The smaller and slower it is, the more time we may have to strategize our response. A nimble, calculated approach might involve evacuation plans or even ingenious engineering to divert the cosmic menace. Conversely, a larger, faster black hole poses a greater challenge, demanding innovative solutions to avoid or escape its gravitational clutches. 2. Proximity and trajectory. Navigating the cosmic dance, the black hole's distance and trajectory play a pivotal role in determining its impact on our celestial neighborhood. A closer, more direct encounter could unleash powerful gravitational waves, tidal forces, and radiation, disrupting Earth's climate, geology, and life. On the other hand, a farther, more oblique approach might lessen the environmental upheaval, preserving a degree of stability. 3. Human response. The key to survival in the face of this cosmic threat, our collective response as a species, becomes paramount. Cooperation or competition, scientific advancement or reliance on superstition, these decisions will shape our destiny. Will we strive to save all or prioritize a select few? Is our future beyond Earth, exploring other planets, or firmly rooted on our home planet? The choices made in the next 200 years will determine whether humanity thrives or faces extinction.